Hi guys, oh my gosh, how I love these two. Seems like these two are officially dating. So Gus posted this video on his TikTok, and then Gugu commented, "What's up, baby? I love you so much." Waphendula uGhost wathi, "I love you too, baby." No, this is so sweet. Ngisho ibuka nje ivideo yabona ukuthi hayi cha. It's not just content, like uyajolwa ke manje, like umjolo nje wangempela akusadlalwa. Wathi omunye lapha, hey, people were commenting, people were like so happy for them. Athi bafanelene kodwa guys, akuve befanelene. These two, they are both cute, very cute, and they look so good together. Do you all realize Gugu never said anything bad about Sima, even after everything? Says a lot about her. Plus cheap. Yeah, true, shame, true. I remember on the kulenye video ngishilo ukuthi I don't remember uGugu esho something or anything njengosima at all, ever. Angikaze nje ngimbone nje or ngimuzwe ekhuluma ngosima. Sima thinks it's AI. Jokes. Goba Nina nisile. Hey, cause yeah, Mrs. Hlubi. Oh, so cute. Look at her nails. Wafaka kuma-nails wakhe ufaka ilo isibongo sa Ghost. How cute. Gugu is beautiful. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. What a gorgeous girl. Athi lona, yes, wena Cape Town. Ayi cha uyaphapha ke lo, kodwa ke ukhona umphendulile wathi ngaleyo shape yenhloko Chomi I wouldn't dare. Cha uyaphapha ngempela yini nje la ishoyo. Ubani usasendabeni yase Cape Town, because indaba yase Cape Town sayikhuluma yadlula. Kwavela ukuthi it was a misunderstanding nje, abantu bayi-misunderstanda leya video. uGugu knows ukuthi there's a difference between a country and a province. Hambani niyohlala kwi-country yenu. Yeah, I just love them. They look good together. Oh, Imina Loyo, I love them. They look so good together, for real. They look so good together. I hope into yabi ya last Hashem, yes. Basahleka i-country kaGugu wethu namanje. Ngisho noMarasha nabangani bakhe phela. I love you guys. Cabangi basahleka indaba ye-country into akudala kanjani. Hey, siyabazi ko noMarasha labakhuluma ngabo ukuthi obani. But yeah, asikho lapho thina sifocusa ey'ntweni ezi-positive, not ey'ntweni ezingekho positive. Athi lo munye, she's so calm and collected. I love her. Oh, we love her too this side. Ukube nguMusakhawula ngabe ngithi me and my friends, we love her. Athi lona, this is better than the previous relationship. Hayi, asazi ke. Lona shuthi usiyacomparisha ke manje. I mean, I'm not gonna comment on that. Wow, that's so cute. They even kissed. Okay, officially dating. Nami ngithe nje mengibona le video ngabona ukuthi hawu laba sebeyajula akusenziwa nje content la, sekuwumjolo nje straight. Wow, I pray for you, my babies. May nothing come between you two. Oh, that is so sweet. Y'all look good together. uGhost seems happier. Yeah, he does look happier. What a pretty girl. A solid 10. Monica Bizua, I agree with you. She's a 10 out of 10. Minus nothing plus everything. It's all temporarily. We all know you will go back to Sima. And we know she'll take him back as usual. Hey guys, Saz, my opinion, I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think he will ever go back to Sima again. I don't think it's gonna happen. I think they're done. I think this time it's for real, like they're done. But yeah, I guess this is Saz. August will do anything for content. So, as Saz, guys, love is strong when there are haters. Push, my dears, push. Cha bayafanelana. Usima bekungathi mdala kunohlubi. Oh wow, yazi angikaze ngayinaka leyo nto mina. Bengakaze ngayinaka. The time bebejola nje, I used to think mengibheka ukuthi oh wow, they look so good together. Angikaze nginaka ukuthi Usima buya ngathi mdala, bengakaze nginake leyo nto. Look cute, hore. But I just hope this is not a prank. Oh my gosh. I just hope it's not a prank. I hope so too. We like sibaningi nje siya hope ukuthi akusiyi prank. This is like into yangempela and it's gonna last. Atilona, I'm still shocked at people taking Sima. Betuna, it's okay. People are allowed to move on. Man, I'm sure we all had people we thought we were meant to be with forever, but turns out to never be the case. He moved on, and that's okay. It really is. Yeah, I totally agree with this person. Hi guys, I'm a comment nje bebaningi kakhulu, most yawo nje be positive. They are happy for Ghost, Goku, like they look so good together. You guys are beautiful, all those comments. Yeah guys, that's it for now. Please do subscribe and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.